Welcome to the Greek Ship Corrosion channel. My name is Mariam. I'm a researcher in the field of corrosion and protection of materials. Chapter 10, Section 1, Corrosion Management. An introduction to NACE, SSPC, AMPP, and ICA. Corrosion Engineering versus Corrosion Management. History of NACE International. NACE International was established in 1943 in Houston by 11 corrosion engineers from the pipeline industry as the National Association of Corrosion Engineers. Since then, NACE International has become the global leader in developing corrosion prevention and control standards, certification, and education. The organization offers technical training and certification programs, conferences, industry standards, reports, publications, technical journals, government relations activities, and more. History of SSPC. The Society for Protective Coatings was founded in 1950 as the Steel Structures Painting Council, a non-profit professional society focused on the use of protective coatings to protect industrial steel structures. SSPC is headquartered in Pittsburgh. AMPP was created when NACE International and SSPC united and merged in 2021 after more than 145 combined years of corrosion control and protective coatings expertise and service to members worldwide. Today, AMPP is active in more than 130 countries and has more than 40,000 members. AMPP is headquartered in the US with offices in Houston, Texas, and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Additional offices are located in the UK, China, Malaysia, Brazil, and Saudi Arabia, with a training center in Dubai. Iranian Corrosion Association ICA was founded in January 1993. Iranian Corrosion Association was established with the sincere cooperation of university professors and experts in the field of corrosion science and technology. ICA was selected by the Ministry of Science, Research and Technology as the top association in Iran in 2006, 2007, 2008, 2010, 2011, 2013, and 2017. Corrosion engineering versus corrosion management. Corrosion engineering is different from corrosion management. Corrosion engineering has three components, which are design, material selection, and controlling the environment. However, corrosion management is a relatively new term and not fully understood. All in all, the corrosion management process is defined as a process comprising three smaller processes. 1. The integrity review process. 2. The monitoring review process. 3. Assessing of effectiveness process. Consultant, corrosion engineer, NACE International member and author Ali Morshed discussed the concept of corrosion management in Materials Performance Interviews series in 2021. Dr. Ali Morshed is a proud Iranian. Ali developed the Morshed Corrosion Management Model (MCMM) in 2012, which has been in use both in hydrocarbon and non-hydrocarbon industries ever since. He has published 5 books which will be listed in the next slides. A list of some of NACE publications on corrosion management. 2012, An Introduction to Asset Corrosion Management in the Oil and Gas Industry. 2016, An Introduction to Asset Corrosion Management in the Oil and Gas Industry. 2017, An Introduction to Asset Corrosion Management in Industry. 2018, A Complete Guide to Corrosion Management Implementation. 2020, An Introduction to Asset Corrosion Management in the oil and gas industry. Dr. Morshed noted, if there is a corrosion problem, the root cause is corrosion engineering related, so the solution has to also be corrosion engineering related. Through the years, I found out that there were many non-corrosion engineering related factors that played a very important part in our corrosion problems and in resolving of corrosion problems. That helped me to formulate a model which I later called corrosion management, which is being used these days for the past 8 years as a means to mitigate and control corrosion, initially in the hydrocarbon industry and later in the non-hydrocarbon industry. The interview was published on April 29, 2021. He also noted, when we deal with corrosion, we have to take into consideration both corrosion engineering based and non-corrosion engineering based factors. By the latter, I mean factors or parameters like communication, competency, procedures, strategies, team structures, and plant integrity windows. These are all non-corrosion based parameters, but they play a very significant role in mitigating corrosion in our assets. Corrosion Management System, CMS. A corrosion management program, sometimes called corrosion management system, is the documented set of processes and procedures required for planning, executing, and continually improving the ability of an organization to manage the threat of corrosion for existing and future assets and asset systems. One way to visualize the benefit of combining corrosion technology specific activities with management system elements is through a 2x2 matrix shown in the next figure. A 2x2 matrix illustrating the benefit of combining sound corrosion technology with a mature management system. With poor corrosion technology and a weak management system, corrosion is neither controlled nor managed. That is, it is unsafe. The bottom left zone. With sound corrosion technology, corrosion is controlled but not optimized. That is, it is expensive. The bottom right zone. A mature management system without sound corrosion technology cannot be effective. That is, it is unsound or weak or out of balance. The top left zone. Combining a mature management system with sound corrosion technology is ideal in that it results in an effective and efficient management of a degradable asset. The top right zone. Challenge number 10. Thank you for your attention. If you like to challenge yourself, please answer this question in the comments below. There is a document titled APPENDIX B, Corrosion Management System Framework and Guidance, published by NACE International. What is the scope of this report?